Hello, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to take a look at the hives to get into the dead hive, and we're going to want to get rid of some of the combs that aren't any good. I might put some more in the Langstroth hives. We'll see. We're going to take a look, see what we got. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, I've been asked what are my plans with this hive, and honestly I don't have any plans for it right now. I would like very much to split one of my two top bars if they get enough strength to justify it, and if I do that, this would be an obvious one to consider for that. Another option is if I want to split any of the hives that I've got coming in, or top bar hives, I can take this out to a different property because I am limited to just 4 hives here. So that is an option as well, is I could outsource this to a different area and go from there. Okay. Another thing that I could do if I want to is to, boy, it's heavy too. A lot of honey in here, nectar. Sorry. Another thing that I could do is I could prepare this to be a swarm trap, and that may happen as well. So I do think with the amount of honey that's in this here, that I could start getting it to the other hives over there now. We'll see how we are in a week. I'd much prefer giving them honey to work on rather than syrup. Alright, so this bar is mostly drone. There's a lot of worker down here, so I'm going to save it. There's quite a bit of worker on that one. Concern that I do have, and it's a fair concern, is that this is a prime wax moth attractant, and ain't nobody got time for that. And here's one that got broken off. So, okay, I found some. On these, all you have to do is just press them out. Okay, I can reuse this foundation later. Pollen. Maybe put this one in the other top, or the other Langstroth hive. Alright, so we'll have to start melting some of this stuff as soon as I find my stuff.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. Do you know what else is super cool? That's right, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If not, where have you been? I've been making YouTube videos now since 2016, and I would love it if you would join me on this journey. When you subscribe, and you really should subscribe, be sure to click on that bell, and that'll give you notifications every single time I upload a new video. So, thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.